So the first one is break ID number 13. Select, I'm going to get one box. This is a fresh case. And this is the unrandomized list of people who are in there. We have not randomized this list yet. And that's all of you. And so we'll do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that's the results. All right, here we go. First pack. Kyle Anderson to 149. Going to the Spurs. Noah. Prism. It's not a refractor. Topps is refractor. Panini is Prism. Randy Foy, Prism. Vaka Zubac, Prism. Doug McDermott, jersey. Not numbered. Ben Simmons, Prism. Going to the Sixers. Not numbered, but that is not bad. Sean D. Kevin Love. Going to the Cavaliers. George Hill Prism. Going to the Jazz. Jeremy Lamb. Hornets. Thon Maker Auto. Looks like a doctor's prescription. That's Doctor Maker. Out of $2.99. Going to the Bucks. Jalen D. Yeah, I saw that, Chad. Not bad. Jordan Clarkson die cut Prism. Out of $1.99. Going to the Lakers. Jason R. And Tyler Eulis jersey. Going to the Suns. Mark S. Two more packs. A blue Kevin Love. Going to the Cavaliers. Out of $2.99. Michael G. And last pack. David West Prism. Going to the Warriors. All right, give me just 1 second. We'll do the random. David, this is number 13. All right, so we're going to do this twice. We're going to randomize the list 3 times, and the winner on top will be in the bonus break on Friday. And we're going to do that twice because there's 2 winners. So the first one. 1, 2, 3. Philadelphia 76ers. And that is Sean D. And the second time. 1, 2, 3. Los Angeles Lakers. and that is Jason R. So you two will receive an email from us, and it'll show you the break that you're in, the break ID, the date, all that stuff. And I'll get those right out to you.